So students, our next topic is how aggregate supply and aggregate demand adjust to each other. Adjustment mechanism. So in adjustment mechanism, equilibrium occurs when plant expanding or aggregate demand equal to aggregate supply. And in free economy, when aggregate demand is not equal to aggregate supply, then output will tend to adjust up or down until the two are equal again. ये मैं आपको पहले ही बता चुकी हूँ कि एक तो हमारा इक्विलिब्रियम लेवल होता है व्हेन एग्रीगेट डिमांड इज इक्वल टू एग्रीगेट सप्लाई होगा, लेकिन ऐसी सिचुएशन भी हो सकती है कि हमारा या तो एग्रीगेट डिमांड एग्रीगेट सप्लाई से ज़्यादा होगा या एग्रीगेट सप्लाई एग्रीगेट डिमांड से ज़्यादा होगी। तो वहाँ पर कैसे वो एक दूसरे को एडजस्ट करते हैं, कैसे वो फिर से इक्विलिब्रियम पर पहुँचते हैं, ठीक है। सो दिस इज़ आर वेरी वेरी इम्पोर्टेंट टॉपिक फॉर एग्ज़ाम पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू। So first, if aggregate supply is greater than aggregate demand, or you can say if when aggregate demand is less than aggregate supply. So if in this situation, when aggregate demand is less than aggregate supply, then C plus I curve lies below the 45-degree line. This is our 45-degree line and this is our aggregate demand line. So aggregate demand line जो है हमारा C plus I curve lies below the 45-degree line, means aggregate supply line. And it means that consumer and firms together would be buying less goods than firms are willing to produce. So as a result, the planned inventory would rise. And this is the situation of actual stock is greater than required stock, and the producer suffers losses because of excessive stock or unsold stock of goods. So in this situation, to clear the unwanted increase in inventory, firms plan to decrease the employment and output. वो दोनों को कम कर देगा, आउटपुट का लेवल भी कम कर देगा और अपना एम्प्लॉयमेंट का लेवल भी कम कर देगा, अपनी से अनवांटेड इन्वेंट्री स्टॉक को क्या करने के लिए, एडजस्ट करने के लिए इकोनॉमी में. सो डिक्रीज द एम्प्लॉयमेंट एंड आउटपुट अंटिल द इकोनॉमी इज बैक एट आउटपुट लेवल OY, where AD becomes equal to AS and there is no further tendency to change. Clear? And second, if aggregate supply is less than aggregate demand, or you can say if aggregate demand is more than aggregate supply. So in this situation, when aggregate demand is more than aggregate supply, then C plus I curve lies lie below above the 45-degree line. अब ये हमारा क्या है, 40 एग्रीगेट डिमांड C plus I curve है, दिस इज आर C plus I curve and this is our 45-degree line curve, यानी means aggregate supply curve. So in this situation, C plus I curve lies above the 45-degree line, and it means that consumers and firms together would be buying more goods than firms are willing to produce. So as a result, the planned inventory would fall below the desired level. It means कि actual stock is less than required stock, and the producer suffers losses on account of unfulfilled demand in the economy. So to bring the inventory back to desired level, firm would resort to increase in employment and output until the economy is back at output level OY. Okay, so where aggregate demand becomes equal to aggregate supply and there is no further tendency to change. Clear? So students, that's all for today. Have a good day. Stay home, stay safe.